Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike. That's the Scout, still outside. Drove it around a little bit, but been parking it outside. Today's video, we are upgrading, let me show you. We are upgrading the welding cart. So, this is my welding cart, Harbor Freight welding cart. The welder sits too far back against the tank, so I had to put a piece of wood in there to space it out. But the real problem is the wheels. So these are tiny, very tiny wheels, and they get caught on everything. Like I just found this. They don't roll over that very well. I mean, my garage is not super clean, so I have little bits of everything on the floor. I'll throw those in the trash now, but you can see I got cracks in the floor, you know, little bits of wood and stuff from my crate, and the welder, it gets stuck on all those, and then I kind of have to lift it up. So today I got some bigger wheels. The ones on the welding cart I think are 5-inch wheels, and these are 8-inch wheels, and these are 4-inch wheels, and the ones on the cart are 2-inch wheels. So these should work a little bit better. So I'm going to pull the welding cart out. I'm going to take some of the stuff off of it so it's not as heavy, and then we'll get to work on it. Let me bring you guys in, lower you guys down a little bit. Bring you guys in. Let's start down here with the back wheels. I think I'll just put a couple pieces of wood under there and lift it up, and then we'll get going with this. All right, so just a cotter pin through here. I'll pop this out. Same thing on the other side. We'll pop those both out, and we will see what we can do with the tires. Also, new tool alert, for me anyways, not for anybody else, so whatever. It's kind of some of the Icon tools, they were on sale. So new tool goofing. That actually worked out great. Let me bring it around. We'll show you this side a little bit more close up. Show you what's going on over here a little bit better. So you can see this is the old wheel, this is the new wheel, and you can see significantly bigger. Let's measure these. So that's a 6-inch wheel, and this is a 8-inch wheel. There's a lot of side-to-side play. Need a couple of washers this big. So I got these big fender washers. I don't really have anything else smaller. I got some smaller fender washers. Those don't fit as tight. We're gonna try those. We'll grab a few of these out. So, see how many we need. All right, I think that combination of washers and well, just washers really worked. So I don't know if you can see it. I put one on that side and two on this side, and then just left the regular washer on this side, but also put a fender washer on this side. And I think that combination is going to work. I think it'll loosen up a little bit as it wiggles around, but I think that's going to be the best right now. So well, it rolls I mean much better with the bigger rear wheels. I don't know. Sits about 3 inches off the ground right now, so we're gonna lift it up and we'll do the front end now. So here's this wheel. Here's this wheel, and it is just about 2.5, and then this one is just over 4. I think it's a 4-inch wheel, but you can see the big difference. And as far as I understand, the weight capacity should be about the same. This one's like 150, this one's like 100 pounds, so it should be all right. I'm going to use some different bolts than these. So let's get these completely off both sides. Then we'll all right, we got some 3/8 nuts and bolts that I think will work better with these.
Definitely gonna work better, but the bolt holes are off. You can see these ones are way bigger. So we are gonna have to drill some new holes. All right, so lucky enough, I was able to just drill these 2 holes out, just like 1/16 of an inch bigger, and so those fit in there. And now, if you can see, I just need to drill these 2 holes. So we'll just mark those and drill them, and then we should be good. All right, perfect. So I got those holes drilled pretty easily. Let's see, those line up. Actually, let's flip this over though and get these in. So you can see how far off the holes were. So these are the ones that I drilled out bigger. These are the old ones, and then these are the 2 new ones that I drilled. So you can see they line up close enough for me. So I'll get this bolted up. We'll do the same thing on this side, and then we'll be good. All right, the welder moves way better with those little wheels, or with those bigger wheels. It doesn't get stuck on the little cracks as easy. It just, I mean, overall it runs a lot smoother. So yeah, that's a win for today on the Harbor Freight welding cart with the upgraded wheels. And I hardly got dirty today. So all right, stick around. We're gonna get back to working on the Scout and the MB.